What's up, YouTubers? Man, they're doing it to us at night even. In these little orbs here, I decided to take a photograph with a flash, and this is what I got. So this is the only way I could see it, is that whatever they're doing in these airplanes to leave these cloud trails, that's what's raining down on us. Whatever these white lines are, I have no clue. And I'll tell you, I mean, I don't know. This is what's raining down on us, man. We need to figure this out quick. Please subscribe and like and share.